Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, back again with another Masterbuilt electric smoker video. To be more precise, the Masterbuilt digital electric smoker. And I'm going to show you how I add more hickory chips to... Oh, there's a raccoon down there. Hello. How are you today? He said, I smell smoke. You certainly do. He's waiting on his leftovers. So... yeah, so what you do, you just load this up, and by the way, I use hickory. You can use whatever type of wood. I just keep it in a little storage bin. A little bit of hickory goes a long way with this, so you just load it. That's as much as I put, man. And then you just stick it in, keeping this part up. You stick it in, and then you rotate. That dumps it out. You can see it dumped it all. So it dumped it into the smoker box. Now I'm just going to put that back in to keep the temperature regulation appropriate. Let's check on the raccoon. Hello. Did I do an appropriately acceptable job of reloading the hickory chips? He agrees that I did. So there you go. That's how to add more wood to your Masterbuilt electric smoker. Very convenient. That's actually the reason I went with this model. Speaking of that, you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find the smoker like I'm using. I felt it was very affordable. I did add some mods to it. Subscribe to my channel. Check out my Masterbuilt electric smoker video playlist, and you can see all my videos. But I did add that to monitor the meat temp and also the ambient temp. And it's just a fantastic smoker. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel. And when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.